everybody, it's Jessie
and Daily.
And we're going to show you one of our things we do, not using a lot of heat on our hair, so I guess you could call it one of our styling easy techniques. So as you can see right now, last night I braided Jaylee's hair. You can see she has a French braid. Sometimes I do one. Usually I like to do two. It just depends on what mood she's in. If she lets me do one or two, what's easiest. So she went to bed with her hair wet and we did this French braid. And so I'm just going to show you guys how easy it is. And then you take it out. And she has fun mermaid curly hair the next day. So I'm just going to undo her French braid. See, she has nice, put your head up to see. She has nice curly hair, and that was with zero heat. I usually spray in It's a 10 or 12 Benefits or any kind of detangler or matrix hydrate. Any of those are good. I spray her hair, and she's got these fun curls, and that's with zero heat on it. She just sleeps with the braid.
Yes, I do.
So we're gonna, Jaylee likes hair pretties in her hair. So we're gonna get some clippies. She's trying to get them undone right now, but we found these at Rue 21.
Mom, give me a second.
So she wants the star one today, so she's gonna help me with that.
Can you open it?
Yep, in just a minute. So one little thing, if you do want a little bit of heat, you can grab the ends and just kind of pull them straight. Sometimes I do that to give her a little bit of extra length on the ends. Like I said, I don't like to use a ton of heat on her hair. But if you kind of just pull the ends straight, it has that fun extra length on the end. I also like to use a wet brush. These are awesome. Jaylee also has her own wet brush she likes to use.
Plushy brush.
It's her plushy brush. Yes, it has a butterfly on it.
I love butterflies.
So she's really good about brushing her own hair too because it's fun and they're nice on the hair. So that what we're going to do with Jaylee's today is just kind of shake out her braid. And then we usually just do like a top ponytail or something for school. So we're going to do this.
We make sure to have fun.
Yes, we always have fun, don't we?
Yes.
Yes.
Is that right, guys? Wait, my hair looks like a fuzzball.
So, I just get these little rubber bands.
My hair
look like that.
My hair looks
you can get a whole bunch of them at Walmart or anywhere pretty much. She likes all the fun colors, so I get a big pack with tons of different colors. There's our little ponytail.
Mommy.
Jaylee's gonna help me get her clip out. Okay, let's do the stars. Yeah. Let's do this one. Okay. So she's got her little top ponytail. And we're gonna put her stars in there.
I'm gonna put this one in.
Okay, there you have it. Simple, super easy. Oh, let's see.
I'm gonna put this one in my hair too.
Try it down so they can see. Down. There's our stars.
Now I'm gonna put this one.
And then sometimes we like to do the ends, like I said, just pull them a little straight on low heat with a flat iron. I suggest always using a heat protector, especially using high heat on hair. They make things so hot now, you don't want to burn their hair. Just kind of pull those ends you left unbraided. It gives it a little bit of extra length. And then Jaylee has bangs, so sometimes she just does a round brush on them. We go like this. One of these. Okay, Susie, come up. There you go. and they're nice and curled. That is not one of her favorite parts, but she tolerates it.
Did you somewhere have an owie? Ow! Oh, look, I have an owie. I have an owie under here.
Can I see? Okay, so right here, I'm just giving you guys a better look of me pulling Jaylee's in straight for her finished look. I'm just slightly going over the ends with the flat iron and polishing it up, and this will be her final look. So there you have it. There's Jaylee's final look.
Final look. And then we have the bab. Just kidding, guys.
Said it's super easy. All you have to do is get their hair wet, spray in some detangler, let them sleep in either 2 or 1 braid. And it's just a simple French braid. That's all we do. And like I said all the time, I don't usually do a lot of heat. I just kind of did that for the video too. You guys, one more quick, easy little hairdo on the little girls. It's kind of fun. And it's just the, I don't know, I call it like a ponytail mohawk, but Jaylee seems to like it. So I just do 1/2 ponytail here and kind of pull it apart, and then I leave the tail out. And then I'm gonna grab her sides and make another ponytail. These are all really easy to do in the morning, like if your daughter has school or have an impatient 4-year-old. And you want to pull that one apart too. Once again, leaving the tail down. Do another one. And do the same thing again. And then I usually do about 1 more.
Mom, this looks like a mohawk.
Yep, we're doing a mohawk.
What this is a girl mohawk?
It's a girl mohawk, yeah.
How do you like playing? I want to make my
Jaylee likes her mohawks too.
Mom, I kind of look like the mohawk girl. I want to see my back.
There's the look. You can also take this and tuck it in or pin it in with a bobby pin.